It's Frankie. It's true. You just have guns, and you have guns, and in Europe, but you don't each other. You have no guns, but you stick to each other. America is full of guns. Like, no.
It's not art, it's revolution.
Fuck everything.
It's the rebellion action.
What the fuck?
Stop. See how you react. See how you don't want to react.
Look, the finger. Okay, then, do you know what is El Masno? Look the finger.
You know, I don't know.
Okay, you are now in El Masno. Okay, it is El Masno.
I did a lot of
Okay, it's Barcelona also.
That's how I look like.
because in Belgium, if you go to
I look like shit. Okay.
Hola, hola.
Toda rapa.
¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo está?
Okay, hello Danny, you're doing a good documentary.
I want
just
to take,
You want to take
I want to take the eye.
take my eye.
Yeah.
And I'll take my mouth.
It's just the camera. Come on.
You're from the country of Hollywood, come on, it's just a camera.
We don't get fooled again.
Steamboat.
Hey, can I do it from that perspective? Yes.
Change it had to come. We knew it all along. We were liberated from the folded song. And the world looks just the same. If history ain't changed, 'cause the banners they all flown in the last war.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Touch it?
No, don't do nothing, just be the floor. Just hold the floor. Just eat it, it's okay. No. Do nothing, no, hey.
Stop. In case you drink too much, you'll still have memory here.
Veni muy creciendo.
She has to know the place where she's going. She has to get home before she's going. I want a drink. Danny, I want a drink. Thank you. Yeah, so anyway, my parents were always very open-minded about traveling, and my sister always said, no, I don't want to travel. So when they asked me, I said, fuck yeah, I want to go. You know, I'm 17 and I'm just gonna leave home. So it was, I mean,
For 1 year then.
for 1 year, yeah. It was a bit crazy because, you know, I was just like taking my backpack and go for 1 year.
No, I'm just saying.
Okay, I can say about
2 years ago, I did almost the same. But
if I knew the Asian and the Americans, I could tell you, but
I was
Yeah,
like you can't say if I'm more Asian, American, or European because you don't know the Europeans.
exactly.
First time in Europe? Yes.
Yep. What?
so like in 2 weeks, I'm gonna go.
Really?
Loco.
Oh my god.
God.
Is it even clean?
Actually, we were staying at this place at the same time.
Philippines for 2 months.
So it's just my fortune.
Yep, by fortune, by luck.
Yeah. It's called something. Like you
How I stop this? This.
Backpack and
You want more beer?